The Beaufort Scale. Beaufort number 0. Description: calm. Wind speed less than 1 mile an hour. Wave height 0. Sea conditions: sea like a mirror. Land conditions: smoke rises vertically. Beaufort number 1. Description: light air. Wind speed 1 to 3 miles an hour. Wave height 0 to 1 foot. Sea conditions: ripples with appearance of scales are formed without foam crests. Land conditions: direction shown by smoke drift but not by wind vanes. Beaufort number 2. Description: light breeze. Wind speed 4 to 7 miles an hour. Wave height 1 to 2 feet. Sea conditions: small wavelets, still short but more pronounced. Crests have a glassy appearance but do not break. Land conditions: wind felt on face, leaves rustle, wind vane moved by wind. Beaufort number 3. Description: gentle breeze. Wind speed 8 to 12 miles an hour. Wave height 2 to 4 feet. Sea conditions: large wavelets, crests begin to break, foam of glassy appearance, perhaps scattered white horses. Land conditions: leaves and small twigs in constant motion, light flags extended. Beaufort number 4. Description: moderate breeze. Wind speed 13 to 18 miles an hour. Wave height 3.5 to 6 feet. Sea conditions: small waves becoming longer, fairly frequent white horses. Land conditions: raises dust and loose paper, small branches moved. Beaufort number 5. Description: fresh breeze. Wind speed 19 to 24 miles an hour. Wave height 6 to 10 feet. Sea conditions: moderate waves taking a more pronounced long form. Many white horses are formed. Chance of some spray. Land conditions: small trees in leaf begin to sway. Crested wavelets form on inland waters. Beaufort number 6. Description: strong breeze. Wind speed 25 to 31 miles an hour. Wave height 9 to 13 feet. Sea conditions: large waves begin to form. The white foam crests are more extensive everywhere, probably some spray. Land conditions: branches in motion, whistling heard in telegraph wires, umbrellas used with difficulty. Beaufort number 7. Description: high wind, moderate gale, near gale. Wind speed 32 to 38 miles an hour. Wave height 13 to 19 feet. Sea conditions: sea heaps up and white foam from breaking waves begins to be blown in streaks along the direction of the wind. Spindrift begins to be seen. Land conditions. Whole trees in motion, inconvenience felt when walking against the wind. Beaufort number 8. Description: gale, fresh gale. Wind speed 39 to 46 miles an hour. Wave height 18 to 25 feet. Sea conditions: moderately high waves of greater length. Edges of crests break into spindrift. Foam is blown in well-marked streaks along the direction of the wind. Land conditions: twigs break off trees, generally impedes progress. Beaufort number 9. Description: strong, severe gale. Wind speed 47 to 54 miles an hour. Wave height 23 to 32 feet. Sea conditions: high waves, dense streaks of foam along the direction of the wind. Sea begins to roll. Spray affects visibility. Land conditions: slight structural damage. Chimney pots and slates removed. Beaufort number 10. Description: storm, whole gale. Wind speed 55 to 63 miles an hour. Wave height 29 to 41 feet. Sea conditions: very high waves with long overhanging crests, resulting in foam in general patches is blown in dense white streaks along the direction of the wind. On the whole, the surface of the sea takes on a white appearance. Rolling of the sea becomes heavy. Visibility affected. Land conditions: seldom experienced inland. Trees uprooted. Considerable structural damage. Beaufort number 11. Description: violent storm. Wind speed 64 to 72 miles an hour. Wave height 37 to 52 feet. Sea conditions: exceptionally high waves. Small and medium-sized ships might be for a long time lost to view behind the waves. Sea is covered with long white patches of foam. Everywhere, the edges of the wave crests are blown into foam. Visibility affected. Land conditions: very rarely experienced, accompanied by widespread damage. Beaufort number 12. Description: hurricane force. Wind speed greater than 73 miles an hour. Wave height greater than 46 feet. Sea conditions: the air is filled with foam and spray. Sea is completely white with driving spray. Visibility very seriously affected. Land conditions: devastation.